Hey everyone, welcome to Graphicsel Media where we bring creativity to life. If you are new to Photoshop, this tutorial is for you. Today we are diving into the Photoshop interface and I will walk you through every essential panel, tool and menu to get you started. Let's jump in. When you first open Photoshop, you will see the welcome screen like this. From here, you can create a new document, open an existing project or explore templates. And here you will see recent files. Click on New File to start a project. You can choose from preset like web, print, mobile or create a custom size. I will go with 1920 by 1080 pixel canvas. It is perfect for digital projects. Once ready, hit create. This is your main workspace. It is made up several key areas: the menu bar at the top, the toolbar on the left, the option bar below the menu, the panels on the right and main canvas area in the center. The toolbar contains your core tools, move tools, marquee tools, lasso tools, brush, erasers, text and more. Each tool has its own function and shortcut key. Right under the menu is the option bar. This changes depending on the tool you selected. For example, with the Move tool, you can align layers, auto-select or snap to guides. On the right side, you'll find the layer panel. Photoshop works in layers. Think of them as transparent sheets stacked on the top of each other. You can create, delete, rename and organize layers here. Above the layer panel, you'll see adjustments and properties. These let you make non-destructive edit like brightness, contrast, hue, and more. Every changes gets its own layer. Super helpful. At the top is the menu bar. File let you save and open projects. Edit give you undo, transform and preferences. Image and layer menus are packed with powerful tools to manipulate your design. Photoshop allows you to customize your workspace. Go to Window to show or hide panels. Use the Workspace drop-down on the top right to switch between presets like Essentials, Photography, or your own saved layout. If things ever get messy, just reset your workspace. Click on the Workspace drop-down, then choose Reset Essentials. It puts everything back to default. This is perfect for beginners. That's your Photoshop interface. Now you know how to navigate the canvas, find your tools and manage layers. In the next video, you will dive into basic tools and actually start designing something cool. If you found this helpful, give it thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner friendly tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions and I will see you in next one.